Today I'm going to show you a secret feature on the Fujifilm X-T3 that I bet you don't... Okay, that was weird. Hi everyone, welcome to the Pal to Tech Show. I just got back from an amazing photo shoot testing all different kinds of lenses. I got videos coming and that's happening real soon. But in the meantime, I want to talk about a hidden feature on the Fujifilm X-T3 that I bet you don't know about. In fact, I had no idea it existed until today. You all know that the Fujifilm X series of cameras have an electronic level on them, which will allow you to see if your camera is level. The way you turn that on is you go into the wrench and you go into screen setup, scroll down until you get to DISP custom setting. In here, tick on electronic level. When you do that, whenever you aim the camera, you now have a level that when you hold the camera perfectly horizontally straight, it turns green, okay? Simple. You all know that. Did you know that there is another level, a second level, a part 2, a new level that's in the camera that's hidden? It's not in the menu. You can't get to it from the menu. Let me show you how to enable it. What you have to do is assign a custom button to it, or one of the swipe actions on the touch screen. So what I like to do is I press and hold DISP back button on the back of the camera, press and hold it down. Then I go ahead and, just for this demo, let's assign the swipe up feature. And what I'm going to do in here is choose electronic level. So I'm basically assigning a custom button or a custom swipe action to the electronic level. When you do that, and only on the X-T3 camera, you get, well, doesn't look much different, does it? It's still the same level that we all know and love, but watch this. Check this out. If you swipe up to, activate it, watch what happens. I'm swiping up. Look at that. You have two levels. You have your main level right there, right? But you also have this little level kind of right in the middle. What's that all about? Glad you asked. So the long line that goes all the way across is showing you how, the levelness of horizontally, right? The small level, there it is. The small level is showing you if the camera's level going forward and backward and forward and backward, okay? I'm sure there's a technical term for it. In the meantime, that's what that shows. So for example, look, have a look at this. If I turn it down, see it's way off. And if I turn it up, it's way off. But if I put it right there, both lines are lined up, perfectly level. 2 levels, double the fun, new feature. I'll bet you had no idea it existed. If you did, then you knew something about the camera that I didn't know, because I just found out about it today. Anyway, that's it. I got lots of photos to go through. I'm going to hit Lightroom and just be a Lightroom editing fiend tonight. But I wanted to share this tip with you. I hope it's helped you. Check out the levels. I hope that helps. I know it's good to be level. Good to be level. Okay, so that's it. Listen, we got lots more videos coming. We have lens reviews. We've got tips and tricks and all kinds of cool stuff. I'm going to show you what's behind that wall. Ugh, my head's going to explode. In the meantime, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I will see you in a video very, very soon. Have a great evening. Bye-bye.